Okay, students, another problem is another important problem. This is the fourth problem. Okay, in this problem, this is a hollow shaft problem. Last class already we discussed solid shaft. Okay, solid shaft torque equation using torque equation. In this one, hollow shaft. In this one, hollow shaft transmits 500 kilowatts at 450 rpm. 450 rpm. The maximum stress is 60 Newton per mm square. Find the outside diameter and inside diameter. Already we know that outside diameter d0, inside diameter di of the shaft. If the outside diameter is twice that of inside diameter, means outside diameter d0, outside diameter, let's see here, d0 is equal to outside dia, and di is equal to inner dia or inside dia. Okay, let's another statement is inside diameter. Outside diameter is twice that inside diameter, means outside diameter is equal to twice of the inside diameter, 2 di. Okay, this is one case. And assuming that the maximum torque 25% greater than the mean torque, that means maximum torque is Tmax is equal to 25% greater than the mean torque. That means 100% like 100% is T mean plus again 25% T mean. The mean is equal to 1. Let's 100% is 1, that is converted into 1.25 T main. This is the T max is equal to 1.25 into T main. Okay, first of all find out the T main, after that go for the T max. Let's see, this is one of the case. In this case, like see here, using this case, K constant is equal to di by d0. Okay, using this case, okay, di by d0. Let's see, is equal to di by d0 is equal to 0.5. Okay, 0.5 d0 di by d0. Let's see here. Let's see, first of all find out the T mean. Okay, T mean using power formula P is equal to, using power formula P is equal to 2 pi and T by 60. This is power formula. Using this formula, T mean, this is T mean. T mean is equal to P into 60 by 2 pi n. 2 pi n. Let's substitute power. Power, already we know that in our given data. Let's see, hollow shaft 500 kilowatts. Let's write, first of all write given data, P is equal to 500 kilowatts is converted into watts, 500 into 10 to the power of q watts. Okay, next another one at speed n is equal to 450 rpm. Okay, and stress, shear stress is equal to 60 Newton per mm square. Using these two, P and N, substitute T mean equation, T mean formula, P is equal to 500 into 10 cube into 60 by 2 pi n, 2 pi into 450. Okay, using your calculus, find out the T mean. This one T mean value, let's find out the T mean value. Okay, T mean value is let's 500 into 10 cube into 60 by 2 pi into 450 is 10615 approximately 15 Newton meter. Converted into after that convert the mm. Okay, we don't want mm, Newton mm, that's why same. Okay, next T max is equal to, already we know 1.25 into T min. Okay, let's 1.25 into 10615. Okay, and T max, find out the T max 1.25 into 10615. 9 point approximate. This is the approximately answer. Approximately 96 Newton meter. This is also Newton meter. Converted into mm. Newton mm 13259.6 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton mm. Okay, this is the T max. After that, find out the diameters using. Okay, let's see here. For hollow shaft, T max is equal to 5 by 16 d naught into d naught power of 4 minus di power of 4 into tau. Okay, already we know that d naught is equal to 2 di. Then d I is equal to d naught by 2 is equal to 0.5 d naught. Okay, next substitute this di value in equation T max equation. Let's T max is equal to 5 by 16. First write 5 by 16 d naught. 5 by 16 d naught into d naught power of 4 minus 0.5 d naught power of 4 into tau. Okay, this is T max. Okay, in this one d naught, let's see, d tau into 5 by 16 d naught, 5 by 16 d naught, d I like let's direct step tau into pi into 0.9375 d naught power of 3 by 16. Okay, let's see pi by 16. Let's pi into tau, d naught power of 4 minus 0.5 d naught power of 4 is equal to 0.9375 d naught power cube. Okay, by 16. Okay, let's substitute shear stress value. Okay, shear stress value, already we know that shear stress value is here 60 Newton per mm square. 60 Newton per mm square into 5 into 0.9375 d naught cube by 16. Okay, next using calculus T max is equal to let's d naught is equal to d naught is equal to let's cube root of let's d naught cube is equal to 16 by 60 into 5 into 0.9375. Let's cube root of. In this one, T max also is there. Let's into T max. Okay. In this one, T max value already we find out. T max is equal to 13259. 13 approximately. Then substitute T max value. Cube root of 16 into 13259.6 by 60 into 5 into 0.9375. Okay. Answer is D naught. Answer is using your musical classes. D naught is equal to 106.32 mm. Okay. After that, di is equal to twice of D naught. Di is equal to, actually in our question D naught is equal to what? D naught is equal to di by 2. Using this one, di 2 into d. Lesser di is equal to d naught by 2. Okay. Then 106.32 by 2. di is equal to approximately 53 mm. Okay. 53 mm. Okay. This is a di and d naught. Okay. First of all, find out the T mean. After that, substitute T max is equal to 1.25 and T max is equal to 13259.6 approximately. Okay. Next, for hollow shaft and this one. Okay. This is our problem. Okay. Thank you.